Milton Ochieng, Senetas oseyo governors kod jotelo mamoko mabuono chopo e nyimgi maduoko penjo mopogore opogore. Bende giseyo jatend piny William Ruto kuom lieko ni od bura mapachoka nigi mibadhi. Gidwaro mondo jatend piny ochop e mbelegi mondo oler wachno.
People who are not elected and they don't sit in parliament. So I think the leadership, the speakers of both houses, because Chair, after yesterday meeting, some of us are caucusing. Both speakers of the house must be put on notice that they are working on a very dangerous path. And members are thinking otherwise. That if this accountability is taken a notch higher, they might become the casualties of what is happening. And they will go before we go. Thank you, Chair.
Article 125 gives us the power to compel the appearance of any person before this committee. Any person, including the president, who is making allegations of unethical conduct on the part of parliament. I want to challenge the speakers of the two houses, because they're the ones who chair the Powers and Privileges committees, pursuant to the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Act, for the president to come and explain who are those people who are demanding bribes? Who are those people who are given bribes? Because you cannot try parliament in a kangaroo court when statute already has clear provisions for dealing with unethical conduct on the part of members of National Assembly or members of the Senate. I think we should move away from this lynching, from this kangaroo court mentality, and challenge our speakers that they must convene the necessary committees and listen to evidence from the president and listen to evidence from anybody else who alleges unethical conduct on the part of members of National Assembly.
We feel that as a Senate we have done our part. The National Assembly needs to push that fine. We pushed it to 2 million, you remember. And we even had gone to the extent of suggesting that we need our own police force in the parliament and a police cell. Because you remember the frustration we had, and in fact it was this committee, with the governor of Nairobi,